Hey, and welcome back to another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking about an NFT project that helps animal shelters around the world. This one's called Pixel Pups Pack, and how can't you love something like that? Let's take a look. Hey there, and welcome to another Solana NFT project deep dive in under 5. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite projects out there called Pixel Pups Pack. It's a Solana NFT project that helps animal shelters throughout the world with the funds raised through their NFTs. So before we dive into it, I do want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So as always, do your own research. Let's dive into it. Let's get started with their website. I think it's a great place to start. What is Pixel Pups Pack? Well, it's a collection of 480 unique, adorable, and algorithmically generated NFTs with the funds being allocated to help animal shelters throughout the world. Now, if you scroll down on their website, it's going to list all of the shelters that they do help, and 50% of the monthly royalties are donated to the following organizations. You have Angels for Mistreated Animals, Mashallah Shelter, the Vuktyak Shelter, Takis Shelter, Every Dog Matters, EU, New York Bully Crew, and the Abandoned Ones, and Save the Elephants. Now, each one of these does have links, as you can see here on the right, to their Instagram and their websites as well. Let's hop in their Magic Eden real quick. So they are listed because their project did mint out a couple months ago. The floor price is holding strong at 0.24. So don't let the size of this project fool you. This is a project for a great cause. And as you scroll down, I think the art is pretty cool as well. I think it pops out at you. The art is changing. We'll get into that in just a second. But you can see the different Pixel Pups have different attributes. So this is a great entry-level project if you're interested. And the community is great. We're going to get into all that in just a second here. But you can't have a great project without great leaders. And this project's team is very small. When I say small, it's 2 people. You can see right here on their website, they have Helix, BG, and Reptar. Helix is in charge of development and design, and Reptar is in charge of marketing. Which leads me over to their Discord, because there is a channel in their Discord channel, Team Intros, where Helix and Reptar both introduce themselves at length. And I've gotten to know these guys. I did a fundraiser, with them for a fundraiser for an animal shelter in Ukraine recently. So these guys have great hearts. They're very passionate about what they do and very welcoming. And taking a look at their future plans here, you can see they're interviewing additional developers and software engineers. So the team is going to be building and working on a new website before their phase 2 launches. They're creating a white paper to fully illustrate their plans and goals. They want to network with other projects and individuals in the NFT crypto investment space. So if you know anybody, send them our way. And they're going to work to establish an LLC to ensure the legality and correctness of everything that they're doing as well. And that phase 2 development is going to include a brand new collection of Pixel Pups. We'll show you in the sneak peeks in here in just a second. They're going to have their own coin, which is great news. Staking and burning of both the phase 1 and phase 2 Pups. A DAO framework establishment with voting rights for holders. So if you're a holder, you can have a say in which way the direction of the project goes. Mini games for the holders and non-holders. Full transparency in the ecosystem. Shareholders wallet that will only be used when the community votes as a part of that DAO. And passive income for holders of the Pixel Pups as well. And jumping over to that announcement channel, you can see this is what the phase 2 artwork is going to look like. You can see it's evolving, but they're staying true to their roots with that pixelated look, and I think the art looks great. I'm very excited for that to come out. And, still goofy art, cute pups, and it's all going towards a great cause. So, like I said in the intro, what is not to love? And that's going to wrap it up for another Solana NFT project, deep dive in under 5. Thanks for coming by. As always, all the information to get involved with this project will be found in the description below. If you do decide to join, hop in that Discord. We'll be waiting for you. It's a very welcoming community. And let them know that Goldie sent you. And on that topic, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you found value in it. Any interaction really does go a long way. So until we see you for our next video, thanks for stopping by. This is Goldie checking out. We'll see you soon.